Hello everyone and welcome to the new tips and tricks video. In this video, I'm going to show you with only one example how you can improve the speed of your pipelines using multiprocessing. So if you remember the Bengali AI competition, in that we had the Parquet files and we had to read from every line and we saved image pickles. So that step took a little bit of time, but we can improve it much more using joblib. So it's quite easy when you're using joblib. So you need to specify like from joblib import parallel and delayed, and then you have a function that you want to parallelize over. Let's say here we're calculating square root of I square for every I till from 0 to 9. So yeah, this is basically pretty easy, but I'm going to show you with an example how you can do that. And let's say first of all you need to let's first import everything from joblib import parallel delayed, and we need import pandas as pd. Let's also import joblib. We want to dump some stuff from tqdm import tqdm. Okay, so now if you remember, we had a data frame. So I'm going to show you the data frame so you don't have to go back. pd.read parquet. pd.read parquet, and then put slash train image parquet. Okay, so we have this data frame, so we are going to read it. And then what's inside this data frame? So you have the image ID column, so different image IDs, and from 0 to 32331. So what we did was just to save all the values from 0 to 32331, right? So how we did it? So we took image IDs, df.image.values, and then we do df equal to df.drop image ID, and then we do image array, if I remember correctly. And this was df.values. Okay, so now we have everything that we need, and then we can just try to save this, right? So for I comma imgid in tqdm enumerate image IDs, and total here is len of image IDs. Okay, so you have that, and then we did the dump thing, joblib dot dump array and ith row, all columns, and then dump it in some folder image pickles, right, with the name. So the name was image ID dot pickle, right? And we run this. So let's see how much time it takes. So it's like estimating around 20 seconds overall. So in the meantime, I will make a function, call it save function, and this is going to take image ID I, same as here, and then it's just going to dump it. Okay, so we have that function image ID I, and then we do the joblib parallel magic. So we say parallel and jobs equal to whatever the number of cores you have, let's say 8. And you can also choose a backend, what kind of backend you want, multiprocessing, multi-threading. So I will say multiprocessing, parallel this, then you say delayed, and then you write your function. Save underscore fn, and that function takes 2 arguments, j img id or I img id, and then it's the same from here. So I think that looks good enough. Let's see. Okay, looks okay. I think we added tqdm so we can monitor. Okay, generate expression must be parenthesized, of course. This, and voila. We finished in 6 seconds. So whatever that took us 21 seconds, finished in 6 seconds. Actually, you can make it even more faster. So you can also split the data and then send different data to different cores. This way it's going to be much faster, but this is like one way to speed things up. So if you have something which is taking time, create a function and then use joblib with multi-threading or multiprocessing, and it's going to be much faster. So that's it for this tips and tricks video, and if you like it, click on the like button and subscribe me, and see you next time. Bye.